Today, I decided to review a fried cabbage recipe from AllRecipes. It's linked below. And honestly, if you like cooked cabbage, this is probably a good recipe for you. However, I personally do not recommend sharing it as we would our other dishes here on Shareably Delicious. So try it and see for yourself. If you enjoy this or any of our videos, please like and subscribe. Obviously, the main ingredient is a large head of cabbage, cored and sliced. Here's how you do it. First, remove the outer leaves. Then you want to cut it in half through the root. Now here's the root you want to cut out because it tastes bitter. So cut one half in half through the root again. Position like this and chop the root off. Do the same thing with the other cabbage half. And now you can chop into pieces to cook. Next, you'll need 6 pieces of chopped bacon, and it was easiest for us to chop all 6 pieces at once. This recipe calls for 2 cloves of fresh garlic, which requires you to peel off the outer layer. I do know you can shake it up in a container, but that hasn't always worked well for me. Then you peel off the inside layer, chop off the little roots, and then mince it. And this is why we usually use minced garlic from a jar. Next is 1 large diced onion, so peel, chop in half, cut your slits, and dice. Now it's time to start cooking. Place the bacon in a large pot over medium-high heat and cook until crispy, about 10 minutes. Boy, I could listen to bacon cooking all day. And here's what it'll look like when you're done. Now add your diced onion, all that lovely minced garlic, then stir and cook until the onion caramelizes, probably about 10 minutes. Once you achieve this, it's time to add in the cabbage. Now stir a lot and cook for another 10 minutes. Now you'll season it. They use 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir this really well and cover. Now turn the heat down to low and simmer for about 30 more minutes, stirring occasionally. And that's it, you're done. Let me know in the comments if you think this dish is shareably delicious.